I'm going to be diving into the single best free advertising outlet available to a craft brewer. Have you ever wondered why certain businesses are at the top of Google's ranking? Where do you rank? Here's the best possible news. You can improve where you rank and how much traffic Google sends to you. The experts will tell you Google only sends traffic to businesses that spend money on ads. From my own experiences, from my own business, I know that's not the truth. I'm talking about your Google Business Profile. This used to be called Google My Business GMB. And optimizing your profile will create a spike in traffic sent from Google. And if you continue to add content, your business will see more and more new customers. Best of all, this doesn't cost a dime. Before we dive in, let me introduce myself. I'm Trip, and I'm here to help brewers of great craft beer market their way to success, the successes they dream about. And I help by sharing decades of business and marketing successes. Okay, but I'm sure you got some questions like, exactly what are we talking about me doing? And most importantly, how much time is this going to take? Let's start from the top. At the root, this is about SEO, search engine optimization. And from this treetop perspective, what Google does is it ranks your business based on relevance, proximity, and prominence. I'm going to share 11 specific elements that go into Google's determination based on your brewery's relevance, prominence, and proximity. And you want to get these things right and you want to optimize them. And if you do that, then you're going to show, meaning your listing in Google, to many, many more people. First, let's talk about your business name and your business's categories. These have a high impact on your rankings. So you want to make sure your name is consistent on your website, your business profile, and literally everywhere else. Now, when we talk about categories and Google, categories are what Google uses to describe your business. They connect you to customers who search for your products or services. So think about this as an example. If you owned an Italian restaurant, you might have a primary category of pizza restaurant. So now Google will show your business in someone's local search results when they search for restaurants, Italian restaurants, and of course, pizza. Your landing page has a huge impact on your rankings with Google. Your profile will have links. Many of them will be to your website. Don't just send everyone to your homepage. If you're introducing a new IPA, send them to a page that provides them with specific information about that specific beer. You're satisfying what they're looking for. That helps you rank higher. Your address and your NAP have a huge impact on where and how you rank. Make sure your address is exactly the same everywhere. If you abbreviate street, be consistent, abbreviate that in every place where your address shows up. Now, your NAP means your name, address, and phone number. All those things need to be the same. Let's say you use Inc. at the end of your business name. Joe's Brewing Inc. That's got to be consistent everywhere and always the same. Reviews, they have a huge impact as well on where you're going to rank for your profile. This is why so many businesses encourage patrons to leave reviews, and you should too. Incentivize it, ask nicely for them, and when people pay you compliments, encourage them to leave that same information on Google to help other folks. More often than not, they'll do it. Your hours of operation have an impact on your rankings as well. Google will reach out from time to time to verify your hours of operation. They'll want to know whether you're open for certain holidays that might be coming up. Make sure you respond to them with accurate information and do it in a timely manner. This is really important. The services part of your Google profile also impacts your rankings. This will vary depending on the services that you offer. Making this information accurate and up to date will avoid disappointing people, or even worse, missing out on a potential customer who doesn't know you offer the service or services they're out there looking for. I.e., if they're looking for somewhere to get beer and food, make sure if you offer both of those things, they're tied into your services. And here's a bonus. If you're doing something special, let's say for the big game that the NFL plays, make sure you prominently put that into your profile, because folks, as that big game approaches, will be looking for places to watch the game, and you'll share with them all the different things you're doing to make their experience great. Your images and alt text also impact your ratings. Relevant images help people get an idea what you're about, so let them know. Be sure to put a lot of images out there and address what those images are with the alt text. That's really important. Responding to the reviews you get on Google will impact how you rank. Take the time to respond to reviews, both the positive ones and the negative ones, even if it's just to say thank you. Attributes provide additional information about your location. And make sure you provide the important information in here to make it easy for people to find your business. A couple of other factors to consider: optimizing your website. The layout and the optimization of your website can impact your Google Business Profile ranking. Citation sources. The quality of your citation sources can impact your ranking. Citations are references to your business that include your NAP. Remember, we talked about that. Name, address, and phone number. Some examples of citations: Google being the biggest, but there's also Yelp, Yellow Pages, any local directories, Chamber of Commerce listings, any and all of those places. You need the citations, and they need to be exactly matching your NAP. If someone puts a citation to your business and it's not accurate, reach out to them, thank them for it, but make sure you tell them, hey, I want to make sure this is right so that your viewers, your website visitors get the proper information. They'll appreciate you doing it, and of course, it's also helping you as well. It's a win-win. Take the time to optimize your Google profile now, so you'll show up in more searches and you'll show up higher in the searches you're currently on. And remember, this is all free. If you're here, I'm guessing you got some value from this video. So please go ahead and give it a like and give me a follow for more guidance and help. See you soon. Cheers.